Hello po. Pinukunan ko po ng video itong aming pinagagawang resort. Ongoing ang constructions ng pool. Four by 7 with jacuzzi. And then nandito rin po yung construction. Sinabay na rin namin yung pagpapagawa ng building. 3 bedrooms with roof deck. Then, meron siyang 4 toilet, 2 showers and bath, 2 showers sa labas, and then with dirty kitchen. And then meron din kaming billiard hall area. Then, sa second floor meron 3 rooms.